We are back today, but we're not working on the Monte Carlo. We got something kind of exciting to go to today. It is Wednesday, the July 6th. So the local fair here in Warrenton is going on. They got some dirt drags going on, so we're gonna take the little girl up. I washed it, I prepped it, I checked the oil and put some coolant in it, and yeah, we're gonna go race it. We're gonna go bang it off the limiter a couple times and do some gnarly third gear to fourth gear shifts. We're gonna try to get as much footage for you tonight on this event. It's just gonna be me. We only got one GoPro, so I might put it on my truck, I might not. I might have somebody else videotape a couple of the runs, and we'll go from there. But should be a pretty good time. Hope you guys enjoy it, and it's gonna be a little different. So if you guys want to see more, we might go to a couple more this year. There's a couple events local around here that we go to. I know there's Montgomery County might be doing it. There might be one in Pike County, which is Bowling Green area here in Missouri. So if you guys are local, want to come out, let's go have a good time. So we'll get this thing down some dirt, hopefully. Haven't done nothing to it really for a couple months, so I mean, been all the work. Just made a couple trips to Iowa, hauling some cars. Think it's ready to race, so let's see how it goes. Wish me luck.
Lane one.
Third. Oh, we don't get
I hear some thumping out of that lane number one. This ought to be good. Here we go. Lane. Nice. Lane two. Yeah, he already got it by. We're going to switch it up. Lane two. Pretty decisive. Lane two. Alright, number four, number three. That is Brendan Cotner, lane one, and Jason Garrett, lane two. Here we go. They both had one shot at it to figure it out. And it was tight as the line. Number four, that GMC, it looked like. Sir, this is for all the money. We're gonna check this one out.
Had a pretty good night racing tonight. We got I forget how many I ran. I think I ran 8 probably races or so. Pretty much raced everybody in the field. It was a pretty good night. The truck, she performed fairly well. The clutch is a little iffy, but that happens. I've had a couple problems with it. It's has pressure sometimes, like you got to pump it up like it's got a leak. I don't see a leak. Might be internal through the slave down low, but it's only got 10,000 miles on the Slave. It's also the older trans, not supposed to be in this truck with the LS. It doesn't sit on the pivot ball very well, and it doesn't fit the pilot bearing, or not the pilot bearing, but the throw up bearing very well. So had a little issues, but we got through it. We pulled off second place. I got beat by a extended cab red short bed Chevy. It's a 90, I think a 99 2000, somewhere around there. But it's a good running trucks, cam only LS1. I don't know if he's done any head works to it or not, but it's a pretty good running truck. It's automatic. That's probably why he got out on me. The last race is on here. It's a pretty good race between me and that red truck. We ended up running twice because it was double elimination. So truck did extremely well. I beat an Evo, which they're kind of fast all-wheel drive little cars. There was two-wheel drive guys that ran in the four-wheel drive class because there was only two-wheel drive guys. We only had about 8 guys in our class total, and that was with the two-wheel drive guys. So thank them for coming out and hooking us up with a couple extra races. That old 50s 5-window Chevy had a small block dish piston 350 with aluminum heads on it, and it had a blow-through turbo on it. It had a 78 75 on it, and it's a good running truck. So if he'd had traction, he would have whooped me every time. Word on the street says it went 970 on asphalt, so that's pretty impressive in a quarter mile. So this truck, nowhere near that, but we did good. We knocked him out tonight. I'm happy. I got my money back out of it. I got even the money I put in the tank. I only put $5 on it because I'm cheap, but I'm impressed. That is the 4th one of these I've entered in, and all 4 times I've gotten second place. The one time truck broke. Other than that, I just got outran. So I'm pretty impressed. This should be a pretty fun video. It's kind of a new thing. We got a couple more of these coming up this year. It's kind of coming more popular in the Midwest area. So for you guys, if you want to travel a little bit for them, there's one in 2 weeks. I forget the dates, but it's the Montgomery County Fair. You can find it on Facebook. You can find it just about anywhere, but I forget what day it is. Again, I can look and update. If you guys have questions, message me or JT and we will figure it out for you. We got old rig here. If I get the other one straightened out, the extended cab, should be fun. JT's legs fixed. He might be racing the side-by-side, so that'll be a good time. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you want to see more on the truck, let me or JT know. We got plenty of vehicles and lots of different stuff. If you want to see anything, we got it covered. So we got anything from motorcycles to side-by-sides to four-wheelers to big old heavy Chevys. I'm surprised the NV4500 is still holding in, but I love it. Manual is the only way to go. So appreciate it, guys. Have a good night, and stay cool. It's kind of hot. See ya.